tool should be used, right? That's a big question, because there is Figma, there is XD, there is SketchUp, right? So my answer to that would be that a designer can choose any tool according to their preferences, right? We have one recommendation, which is Figma, based on these reasons, right? It is platform independent. So if you have a MacBook, or if you have Windows system, or even if you have some Android Chromebook, you don't need to worry about it. It's platform independent. If you have a browser, you can run it. It is extremely scalable, and it is easy to collaborate as a team. So at a single time, in a single artboard, in a single page, multiple people can collaborate at a single time. And you have quick access to various plugins created by vibrant design community. They have launched at 2012, but they have improved and evolved significantly faster. So yeah, you'll see vibrant set of plugins that you can use to accelerate your design even more, and you can create complete design artifacts then and there only. Previously in Sketch, you used to create screens in Sketch, but you used to use InVision to present it and inspect it. It used to take a lot of time. What these folks say that no, we don't want to do that. We want to do that in one single space, so that designers do not need to worry about technological limitations. They can focus on their work, and they can update and implement the feedback in the real time, and they can show. So it saves a lot of time.